Hi, welcome to TechniForce Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn profile for yourself. You will learn how you can complete and optimize your profile, making sure that employers will line up just to set up an appointment with you. So what is LinkedIn? It is a social network that is intended for the business community, making a network connection with people you have worked with and worked for, creating new connections to discover future opportunities, connect with people who can help you advance your career, making sure that you get exciting new opportunities for professional partnerships, ventures, acquiring fresh customers, and landing a better job. Your profile can be a resume that potential employers can take a look at. Let's try to create a new LinkedIn profile. Click the Join Now button to create a new account. Enter the details and click Agree and Join. Once you have an account, sign in. Now you have successfully created your LinkedIn account. First, you have to make sure that our profile is complete. This is where you can input your needed information for your profile. You should upload your profile photo here. It should not be a selfie, a group picture, but you should be in your professional attire and smiling. Most of the employers will look at your picture. As the saying goes, pictures are worth 1,000 words. So we should be carefully choosing the right photo for our profile. Input your name, headline. Your headline should be the position that you are seeking to apply for. Input your work experience. Add a job title, company, work tasks and duties. With a description, make sure the first 200 words are the important ones since they are seen in the preview of your description. Make sure to look for the best keywords that employees look for in the job position you're seeking for. You may also include the contact details where employers can easily get in touch with you. This also applies to your education. Input your university, the course you took, skills. Input all the relevant keywords that you can showcase to your potential employer that will make you stand out from the other applicants. You may also ask your previous coworkers or employer to give you a short recommendation which will be helpful for your profile. You can optimize your profile by including at least 6 keywords that are used in other job posting applications where employers include in their summary of the skills and responsibilities for that job post. Then place those keywords in the sections of your profile, such as your heading, description, skills, experience, and recommendations. Summary. To input your summary, go to the Add Profile section, About, then click this button. You can enter your details here. It is important that you include in your summary what you do or the opportunities that you are looking for. This can also include your work experience history, qualifications, and your personality. This will help your potential employers to decide if they will contact you to conduct an interview and hire you or just connect with you for additional network. Customize your LinkedIn profile URL so that it will be your name that is at the end of the URL. It helps with your branding and it will be easier to remember too. To do this, click Edit Public Profile and URL. This is the area where you can modify your URL. Change it to your name. When you click on the Add Profile section, you can check each section as to what you can further add that is relevant to your profile. This is to check whether you can input more details that you have not yet entered in your profile. In your dashboard, you can see your LinkedIn profile strength. You have to aim to reach this star to fully optimize your profile. By creating your LinkedIn profile, you will be able to showcase your professional career, find and apply to jobs you are interested in. You can fully optimize your LinkedIn profile once you have at least 100 connections. It is significant that your resume matches your LinkedIn profile, as this will be checked by your potential employers in LinkedIn. Feel free to subscribe to our channel to get more learning videos. If you have questions, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
You may visit our website at technicforce.com. We create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Check us out!